बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ज़ूलॉजिस्ट ज़ू। आज हम बात करेंगे पैरट के बारे में। पैरट आर अ कलरफुल एंड स्मार्ट बर्ड। दे आर मिमिक ह्यूमन साउंड्स। They live in tropical forests and eat some fruits, some grains, extra. गाइस, आप जानते हैं जंगल में तोते की आवाज़ और इनके रंग नेचर को ज़िंदा कर देते हैं। Parrots are eating now. You can see. Some parrots use green leaves for eating. You know, they have different foods for eating. No, parrots are sitting at the top of the tree. No, parrots are flying. They swim in the water and flying after drinking the water. Now parrots are present in pairs form. They meet other partners. They sitting at the roof. They talking about each other. No, one parrot only sitting in the tree. They try to move others. This parrot is shivering. This is also shivering now. This parrot is talking. They have different colors in their feathers. Parrot in cage. They are talking, speaking. with human beings, you know. They are flying each other. They are trying to flying, but no, they are in cage. They try to open the door, but impossible. Guys, please protect the nature animals and love the animals. Thanks for
Parrot is
watching.
alone
Please like,
and
follow
seen
and subscribe my
everywhere.
channel. My videos. Thanks for watching again.